We often wonder, what if we capture the scenes of the great outdoors just like a bird's view or how we see it? Yes, we are on the same page. So let's introduce you all with some amazing action cams that can capture the stills forever. Please subscribe to our channel as we take you to the great outdoors. Let's begin. GoPro Hero 11. Get incredible highlight videos automatically with the Hero 11, just in a matter of time. Climb the highest mountain, hit the trails, doesn't matter as the large image sensor captures more of the scene with higher image quality, letting you instantly share vertical shots to social media. Hypersmooth 5.0 features auto boost and horizon lock built in, ensuring smooth, stunning shots. This is a true outdoor genius as the Hero 11 is waterproof up to 33 feet with hard-built tough exterior. Lastly, the night effects let you get creative after dark, and 10-bit color brings all your videos to life. Insta360 ACE Pro. The Insta360 ACE Pro boasts impressive 8K video resolution on paper, at 24 FPS resolution. Consequently, when capturing fast-moving action, you may find it more practical to switch to 4K at 60 FPS. The hinge on this display allows for versatile previewing of shots that is tougher than you think, flexing at a 90-degree angle when viewing from above or a full 180-degree rotation for selfies and vlogging. Additionally, the ACE Pro features a small black and white front screen for a quick overview of settings. When it comes to low-light filming, the Insta360 ACE Pro stands out due to the size of its sensor. The ACE Pro features an impressive 1/1.3-inch sensor. This larger sensor is coupled with AI-assisted noise reduction to enhance its performance in darker settings, positioning the ACE Pro as one of the top small action cameras for capturing footage in low-light conditions. GoPro 11 Mini. A tough outer shell takes legendary GoPro durability to a whole new level, but features the same large image sensor that lets you share vertical shots with ease, and can shoot incredible highlight videos sent to your phone automatically. The ecosystem is brilliant, just shoot and automatically upload footage to the cloud while a highlight video when charging. It's quite impressive how the large image sensor delivers an immersive, extra-large field of view at just 133 grams. DJI Osmo Action 4. For most adventurers, the Osmo Action 4 strikes the ideal balance between quality and price. DJI has focused on incorporating the largest image sensor in the industry into their action camera, resulting in significantly improved video quality. The stabilized 4K video is impressive, and the camera proves resilient not only in rugged conditions but also in extreme temperatures. The Osmo Action 4 is the superior camera. While it's disheartening that the modular design of the Action 2 doesn't appear to be getting an update, it's still an available option. What takes precedence here is the absolute quality, and DJI has now become the leading contender. The electronic image stabilization, EIS, maintains its excellence from the previous generation, with both rocksteady and horizon balancing ensuring smooth videos even during intense action. For most users, 4K resolution, especially with up to 120 FPS, is the ideal choice for action footage. Logitech Mevo Start. The Logitech Mevo Start positions itself as a versatile solution catering to the demands of modern streaming, making it suitable for content producers, educators, and event coordinators. Tailored specifically for streaming, its seamless integration with Streamlabs establishes it as a central tool for multi-streaming, allowing users to broadcast simultaneously across multiple platforms and expand their audience reach. Designed for extended streaming sessions, the Mevo Start boasts an impressive battery life, making it ideal for lectures, workshops, or prolonged gaming sessions. The Mevo Start is a distinct departure from the GoPro, especially for individuals contemplating an action camera for live streaming. Tailored specifically for this purpose, the Mevo Start could be an ideal solution for your needs. Equipped with a 1080p resolution camera, the Mevo Start delivers vivid, crisp, and engaging broadcasts. Despite its compact size at just 3 inches and weighing only 8 ounces, it packs a powerful streaming capability, emphasizing not only portability but also unmatched versatility within its category. Insta360 Go 3. Elevate your experiences with the Insta360 Go 3 action camera, a miniature camera designed for versatile usage. The Go 3 introduces several enhancements, including voice control 2.0 technology, a 2.2-inch flip touchscreen, image preview capability on the Action Pod, dual microphones, and extended battery life. With 64 GB of built-in flash storage, this edition allows you to manage the camera, preview videos, and seamlessly export content to your phone via a companion iOS/Android app using Wi-Fi. When your phone feels too large or conspicuous, the compact and fun Go 3 is an excellent alternative. It comes with the Smart Action Pod, which adds a touchscreen and wireless control to enhance your shooting experience. Despite its compact size and lightweight, the Go 3 offers incredible versatility. Wear it around your neck, clip it to your collar or skateboard, let your pet carry it, attach it to your dashboard, and so much more. While the video and stabilization quality may not be top tier, the Go 3 excels in versatility. Building on its predecessor, it now captures video, audio, and photos in up to 2.7K resolution and maintains a slow-motion recording feature. If you're seeking a great, compact action camera for various situations, the Insta360 Go 3 is a compelling choice. Akaso Brave 8. Record high-quality video at 4K resolution and 60 frames per second, along with stunning 48-megapixel still images using the Akaso Brave 8 action camera. Its robust IPX8 rating and waterproof depth of 33 feet make it suitable for capturing dynamic moments in various action-packed settings. Benefit from digital super smooth image stabilization to ensure your footage is consistently smooth and of top-notch quality. Equipped with 2 color screens, the Akaso Brave 8 features a large touchscreen at the back and a smaller front screen for easy mode toggling and footage preview. The camera incorporates AI face metering technology to optimize exposure when recording yourself. With a single rechargeable 1550 mAh battery, the camera can operate for up to 90 minutes. So, here's our list of 7 best outdoor cameras. Which one did you like the most? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.